We're looking at the court literally junking that petition that Siddaramaiah filed before the High Court, challenging the governor's legal standing in prosecuting him. The High Court on many levels broke it down as to why the governor has done the right thing by going forward and granting prosecution, basically, which means Siddaramaiah will now face investigation into allegations of corruption. Politics galore, meanwhile, over High Court setback for Karnataka. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, BJP training its guns on Siddaramaiah government after the High Court dismissed the Chief Minister's plea in MUDA scam. Saffron Party now seeking Siddaramaiah's resignation, saying that he has no choice but to step down on moral grounds because this will mean graft charges if he's found guilty, and until the probe ends, he must step aside as Chief Minister. Now, the Congress, however, rallying behind Siddaramaiah, asserting that in fact, come what may, the party will stand with the Chief Minister no matter what. Karnataka Chief Minister Deputy has made it quite clear that Siddaramaiah will not step down as the Chief Minister. Here's what he said.
See, Bharatiya Janata Party continuously have been alleging against corruption, against this corrupt Congress government as well as corrupt Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji. And every time they used to claim that it's a political conspiracy. Even after Governor Saab gave sanction against the Chief Minister, prosecution for sanction, even then, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah as well as their cabinet, they alleged that Raj Bhavan has been misused. But today, High Court has given a clear judgment, and High Court has clearly said whatever governor has taken decision is 100% as per the law. Of course, I agree, Chief Minister has every right to go on appeal in the Supreme Court. But having said that, being a responsible citizen of this country, being a responsible Chief Minister, he is bound to resign immediately.
Even Sri Ramakrishna Hegde, Sri Yediyurappa, whenever there was an allegation on them, they resigned immediately, henceforth. But as far as Siddaramaiah is concerned, now on the prima facie, it is a proven fact. It is not only just 14 sites to Mr. Siddaramaiah. There is a huge scam in MUDA, where from Mr. Siddaramaiah is MLA also, and his MLC son is also participating regularly in the MUDA meeting. All these scams, Siddaramaiah should understand, it has happened during his ministry, his term. Now, he should have actually resigned before going to the court itself.
We have to come clean, so definitely that's why we are going to be more clear to the people in due course of time, as the Judicial Commission has been constituted by CM itself. So we'll come very clean to the people, and definitely will expose. See, this is not a setback. I repeat, this is not a setback. It was a matter where the prosecution could have been given or not. I repeat, I want to be on record. This is nothing to do with a setback to the Chief Minister of Karnataka. It was a matter of two constitution bodies, whether CM could have been given a prosecution by governor or not. This is the only matter.
I am not surprised. The idea of involving the governor and the governor's office was to ensure that this plays out like this. And the governor very clearly has overstepped his legal ambit, and he's done these things. So, and we see this as a standard operating procedure. We see this as a playbook. What is happening in what happened in Jharkhand, what happened in Delhi. We are seeing that in Karnataka as well.
Most corrupt people are BJP people. In throughout India, not only India, in throughout world, they are corrupt people. They don't have any morality to ask Siddaramaiah's resignation. He is a clean and Chief Minister. We don't find a Chief Minister like this. 100% clean-handed man. The BJP people, most corrupt people in India, no value for their words. Now, single bench judge has upheld governor's permission. Double bench is there, full bench is there, Supreme Court is there. We will fight.
चीफ मिनिस्टर को प्रोसिक्यूशन सैंक्शन दिए हैं, हम लोग उसके रिलीफ के लिए गए। अब सुनने में आ रहा है कि रिलीफ नहीं मिला। जजमेंट कॉपी हम देखेंगे, और एनीवे प्रोसिक्यूशन सैंक्शन जो है वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए, हम तो चाहते हैं सिर्फ एक केस में नहीं, सारे पॉलिटिशियन जो दूसरे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से भी सेम इशू में इन्वॉल्व हैं, जिनको कंपनसेटरी जमीन लैंड जिसको दिया गया है, जेडीएस के भी हैं, बीजेपी के भी हैं, और ये हुआ है बीजेपी की सरकार में। सबसे बड़ी बात है बीजेपी की सरकार में नहीं है। तो हम लोग को पता समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि बीजेपी की सरकार में हमारे नेता कैसा करप्शन किया जो उनके नाम पे नहीं है जमीन। तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि केस में कोई दम है। इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो जाए, हम लोग तो ओपन हैं इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम सारे पॉलिटिशियंस के जो स्पेशली इस केस में और इस तरह के कंपनसेटरी लैंड जहां जहां भी पूरे स्टेट में दिए, सबका इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए।
All right, so all the Congress netas say this is nothing but vendetta politics, that the governor is being used by the BJP to target the opposition, that Siddaramaiah's, in fact, a deliberate attempt to show him as corrupt, to destroy and dismantle the Congress government in the state of Karnataka. All that said, I'd still repeat, Siddaramaiah will now have to face investigation into this MUDA case, where his wife and his brother-in-law, in fact, wife's brother, were allegedly allotted nearly 14 pieces of land, which comes in prime property, in exchange of the land that was taken over by the Mysuru Development Authority for Development, the 50-50 ratio scheme that was carried out, under which this favor was allegedly done. Now, this, the BJP alleges, was done through Siddaramaiah's influence and the clout that he holds within the Mysuru region. Now, Siddaramaiah has been asked, of course, demands coming in from the opposition asking Siddaramaiah to step down on legal grounds, on moral grounds, as this case has now taken a legal turn. But the Congress adamant that Siddaramaiah will remain the Chief Minister, the entire party backing him for it. Sagaira joining us live right outside the Karnataka High Court. Let me take you through what really happened. Sagai, what we hear of the Karnataka High Court breaking down Siddaramaiah's petition before court is humiliating indeed. Because in the petition, Siddaramaiah says that there was no application of mind by the governor before issuing a prosecution grant, while the Karnataka High Court says in response that there was abundance of mind that was used in actually granting that prosecution, and he's very well within his rights.
Absolutely. The entire argument was whether the governor has a provision under 17A. And in fact, Abhishek Manu Singhi went on to give examples of the previous judgment of the same judge. And if you notice, in the year 2023, there was Ashok versus Karnataka government in a similar case of under 17A. Even in that particular case, the same judge, Nagaprasanna, had said that...
All right, let me quickly cut across. Sagai, stay with us.